Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Business Meets Tech. And in today's video, we will try to understand what is OpenText Content Aviator. So OpenText is, as we know, one of the leading organizations when it comes to content management, information management, and also they have different product lines, whether it's based on artificial intelligence or content management or experience management. So today we will see one of their product that is OpenText Content Aviator. So it's not exactly a product, but kind of technology that they have brought in, and it integrates with their different technologies or different product suite. So we will see that in detail, like what is this OpenText Content Aviator. So there are different type of aviators that OpenText has come up with. And it's a line of artificial intelligence that OpenText is trying to establish, and they have multiple products around that. So with that, welcome to the video, and I hope this provides you information and clarity on OpenText Content Aviator. So before we go into OpenText Content Aviator, let's first understand the different concepts, or at least let's understand on high level what is artificial intelligence and how that is used by OpenText to create this Content Aviator. Right, so there are different terminologies we used when we talk about artificial intelligence, and there are different overlapping areas in this regard. So for example, we have artificial intelligence, under which we have NLP or LLMs, machine learning, deep learning. Then we also talk about business intelligence, big data. Then there is a different set of tools that are developed based on the specifically data itself. Then there are statistics that we derive from the data. So all these are intertwined, and there are different concepts that merge here. So artificial intelligence is a broad concept. Now let's see what exactly is artificial intelligence and how this NLP and machine learning and this generative AI ties into that. So artificial intelligence or AI refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. And with the advent of large language models or LLMs and generative AI, these systems are not only capable of processing vast amount of data, but also exhibiting human-like understanding and creativity. So typically speaking, there are two main types of AI. One is narrow AI, also known as the weak AI, which is designed to perform specific tasks. And then there is general AI, also known as the strong AI, which aims to mimic human intelligence and perform any intellectual task that a human can do. So AI has found its way into numerous aspects of our life, from virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to recommendation systems on streaming platforms. And with the integration of these large language models and generative AI systems are powering breakthroughs in healthcare diagnostics, financial analysis, and even creative endeavors like art and music compositions. So AI system works by processing large amount of data, identifying patterns, and making predictions or decisions based on that data. Now, machine learning, which is a subset of an AI, allows computer to learn from experience without being explicitly programmed. So that's the main difference between a simple program and a machine learning concept. Now, the integration of these LLMs and generative AI has far-reaching implications across various domains, from enhancing virtual assistants and customer service bots to enabling creative content generation and assisting in complex problem solving. And the possibilities are endless here. So using this artificial intelligence concepts, and especially the large language models and the generative AI models that are out in the market, like OpenAI and ChatGPT based models, and there are different models which are available in the market nowadays. So OpenText is using these models to create this product line. One of that is this Content Aviator. Now let's see what is this OpenText Aviator line of business or products, right? So OpenText Aviator comes into different flavors. So now as you can see, there are different type of aviator that are available, specifically designed for solving specific problems. So we have OpenText Content Aviator that we will understand in detail today. So it basically is a new way to interact with the content and extract knowledge. Then we also have OpenText Business Network Aviator that works in the Internet of Clouds, and it revolutionizes the connectivity between this. Then we also have OpenText IT Operation Aviator, OpenText DevOps Aviator, then OpenText Cyber Security Aviator, and then Experience Aviator. So there are different line of this Aviator. So it is important to understand when we are trying to understand how this product line is being developed by OpenText. So there are different Aviator, and out of that there is one which is called OpenText Content Aviator. Right, so we will also see maybe in our subsequent videos about different type of Aviator, but today we want to focus on OpenText Content Aviator. From the business perspective, if we see like from the use cases, again there are like different like these Aviators. If you see in detail, like Content Aviator, then this Content Aviator deals with intelligent workspaces for accessing the information that is stored in our documents or in searching the content from our workspaces and repositories, right? Automating content insights, also helping us generate the content, automate content translations, right? So this is specific to Content Aviator. Now there are different Aviators as we discussed. So the Experience Aviator focuses on the communications, knowledge access and retrieval, personalized content generation, right? Similarly, we have Cyber Security Aviator. So this slide gives us more information about like each of these Aviator line of businesses that OpenText provides. Now let's come back to the Content Aviator so that we can discuss this in detail. So what is a OpenText Content Aviator? So in simple word, Content Aviator is an AI-powered intelligent assistant. So OpenText Content Aviator brings the power of generative AI and the large language models into OpenText content service platforms, including OpenText Core Content, OpenText Extended ECM, and OpenText Documentum. So those who have worked in OpenText landscape or have worked on these different products, so there are different products that OpenText provides. Like one is Core Content, which is a SaaS-based solution, a multi-tenant solution that we can subscribe to. And then there is OpenText Extended ECM that can be deployed, let's say, in private cloud model as well. And then there is an OpenText Documentum. So OpenText Aviator is integrated with all these applications. So we can use the features of this Aviator, Content Aviator in all these applications. And OpenText is enhancing with each release the capability of this OpenText Content Aviator. So by offering chat-based search like content discovery, summarization and translation, this Aviator makes it easier for employee to find information and understand content, which in turn results in the better productivity and changes how they work with the document. Like earlier, we have to rely on the simple search forms to find the information, but with this Content Aviator, we can directly ask the assistant to search for what information we are looking for. Now let's look into a little more detail about this OpenText Content Aviator. So what's new in this Content Aviator? So a generative AI or LLM based AI powered intelligent assistant for core content, as we see, like for Extended ECM and also for Documentum. It discovers content faster, like with chat based conversational search, and it also automate content and workspace analysis and summarization. So this is for like existing core content applications, like somebody who is using core content, then automatically this feature will be enabled for them. Also for the latest releases of Extended ECM and Documentum, these features are being introduced. And this is like relevant to across like different line of businesses, whether be it HR, IT, marketing, sales, finance, procurement. So because the features are applicable everywhere. So the audience typically is the one who are using this solution in different departments. So how it solves the problem? Like it simplifies the navigation of large volumes of content to quickly find relevant information. So that is a very important use case. It eliminates human time and resource spent understanding content and refocuses team on higher value tasks. So let's say there is a contract and I want to like understand the gist of it. So instead of going through the entire contract, I can ask the Content Aviator to summarize it for me, and it will summarize, highlighting the important aspects of that contract. Similarly, if I am let's say an HR professional and then I want to understand an offer letter, just the gist of it, then I can do the same task with an offer letter. Also, like OpenText, like this Content Aviator creates a layer on top of the general LLMs that are present in the market, so that the data will never be used to train the models. So the data will be private to the organization who is using this OpenText Content Aviator, and only it uses the underlying language model to construct the information. So the privacy is of great importance to organization. They will not want their data to be available in the these general models. So that's where OpenText comes and create a layer of security in between. So what we gain from it, like we gain access to faster content and with less effort through natural language questions. So we can directly chat, like how we chat with other humans. We can chat with the content and we can get the insight into the content. It will boost user productivity, efficiency and satisfaction. And it will promote reuse and sharing of existing knowledge and information. So here is the one example that OpenText has shared on their website. If you see, we can ask the Aviator, let's say, to summarize this workspace. So those who works with OpenText, like there is a workspace concept where we have like all the documents, teams, the metadata related to any business use case available. So we can ask the OpenText Content Aviator to summarize the entire workspace for us. Right, so it will give us the information related to that workspace. So now if you see like each of these features, like we have analyze, summarize, translate, search, navigate, create and automate. So these are the main features that this OpenText Content Aviator provides. So these are the key AI capabilities that OpenText Content Aviator brings to the table. And this is available across different product lines, whether it be it OpenText Core or OpenText Documentum or OpenText Extended ECM. Now let's understand like what we mean when we say content analysis. So it refers to like knowledge extraction, document summarization and translation. So through contextual understanding, LLMs can accurately and comprehensively analyze content and then extract relevant information from various documents such as contracts or invoices. Additionally, LLMs can summarize individual documents or entire workspaces, and with the added capability of translating these summaries into specified target languages, which in turn helps users get the important facts faster. So if I am a user, let's say the contract is in English and I want to translate, let's say, to Spanish or Latin, right? So that can be done easily with the help of this Content Aviator. When it comes to search, like such as conversational search, semantic navigation, related content search, and subject matter expert search. So with the help of this Content Aviator, we can do all these activities. So empowered by the LLMs, the chatbots can comprehend user queries and provide relevant information and engage in a natural human-like conversation. And by utilizing chat memory to retain conversational history, chatbots can handle follow-up questions effectively. So this intuitive interaction with the unstructured content reduces the cognitive load and enhances the overall user experience. So the response from chatbots will include links to the workspaces or individual documents, which enables user to quickly navigate to the precise source used by the LLMs to generate the answers. And this allows for the semantic navigation independent of traditional folder structure. So we need not go to the different folder hierarchy to reach to that particular content. Directly from the chatbot itself, we can go to the location from where it is bringing the information. So it revolutionizes the time like it takes to reach to a specific content. So it's not just a simple feature, but it changes the way we interact with the content itself. So in comparison to the traditional keyword based search systems, LLM possesses superior precision in comprehending users' query and delivering relevant search results. Now coming to the creation part, like how we can create and act on the content and content creation and content process automation basically. So with this OpenText Content Aviator, customers will be able to generate new content or documents based on the language models and enterprise data sources, including business applications such as SAP or Salesforce. So this capability in particularly useful for ideation, customer communication and the creation of business documents. Additionally, users can interact with content management processes such as approval workflows in natural language, and the AI system can take appropriate actions based on the user's request. So it also helps in automate business configurations. So with OpenText Content Aviator, it will streamline the business configurations of OpenText content management platforms, including metadata schemas, workspace templates, and workflow maps. Like putting these capabilities into the hands of more business users will dramatically accelerate and simplify configuration tasks, as well as eliminate the need of every user to understand complex administration tasks. So right now, if you see, like all the configuration mainly depends on administrator or the business administrator, but with the simple human-like interaction, then this configuration can be simplified. Also, it can help generation of code, like code generation for developers. Like as we see, like how nowadays we use ChatGPT, or the developers use ChatGPT to develop the code faster. Like the same way we can use this content aviator also to like generate code, let's say to interact with public APIs provided by OpenText private cloud and public cloud services. So with that, we can easily write the code to, let's say, either call the APIs from third-party system, or to create a code which will call the OpenText APIs to fetch the content. So these are some of the like features and the use cases that this OpenText Content Aviator provides, and hopefully this helps you understand like what are the different aviator, what is basically OpenText Aviator, and what are the different aviator subclasses that OpenText is coming with, and especially OpenText Content Aviator, how it helps with the content, how it integrates with different applications, and what are the different features it provides. So with that, thanks for everyone for joining us today, and thanks for watching this video. If you find it helpful and informational, please share it with your friends. So with that, thanks everyone, and have a nice day.